Once your agents have been added to your workspace, you're ready to create flows that use our ticketing service. Let's see what one of those flows might look like. So I've created a flow for a customer service line. Okay, so first I'll send a message. I said, thank you for reaching out to our customer service. What do you need help with today? And I've offered 4 options to hopefully send the contact down a clear route. Okay, so I've done returns and exchanges, payments and billings, order issues, product inquiries. And I've also used my quick replies there. Okay, so my next action is wait for response. So when the contact arrives here, they're going to be divided into 4 different categories based on their response. I've also left a 5th category empty down here. This is useful if someone wants to, for example, be sent immediately to a human agent. Okay. I've renamed the result assistance request. It's important to name the result because then we can reference it later, which will be useful for our agents. We'll check that out. Click OK. All right, we can see here we have divided the responses into different nodes. This node goes to an open ticket action. So you'll scroll down. Here we have open a ticket with a human agent. Okay, I can scroll down. So this node came from returns. So I'm going to add a returns category. I'm going to assign this to my agent who's in charge of returns, Christine. I can send a message. Please take care of this. I have also referenced my results here. I've referenced results.assistance request. So the agent can see what the contact originally reached out for. I can also add, for example, the contact status. I can add the contact's language if we respond in more than one language to our customers. I can add the groups if I want my agent to see which groups this contact belongs to. Anything that we think might be pertinent to the ticket. Okay, I'll click OK. Over here, I've included an others category. Down here, I've added a node that says, I do not understand. Please respond with 1 through 4 or respond human assistance. This gives the contact the option to immediately open a ticket with a live agent. Okay, and I've added the topic general here because we don't know what they want. I haven't assigned it to anyone. And I've included a message. Please ask them what they need help with first, since they did not indicate in the original message what they needed help with. Maybe I'll also add results.assistance request in case they did specify already. Click OK. All right. On the open ticket action, we have success and failure. If the contact is sent through failure, it's likely that this contact already has a ticket open with another agent. So it's important that the agents close the tickets as soon as they are resolved. Otherwise, the contact will not be able to go through another flow with an open ticket action. If I'm an agent logged in to my Texted account and I receive a ticket, I should get a notification over here when I have a new ticket. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so it looks like someone has sent me a ticket over here. Go into my notifications. It says new ticket activity. Click on that and it will bring me to any tickets that I need to open. When I've cleared all my tickets, I'll get this nice little all done message. All right, that's it. That's your introduction to tickets. Feel free to reach out to us on the chat widget if you need any extra support.